Instabind from Taylor Tools is an exciting new instant carpet binding system for flooring installers. With Instabind, you can now provide your customers with fast, easy on-site binding to save them time and money and give you an easy new source of additional revenue. Instabind quickly turns carpet remnants and scraps into beautiful floor mats, stair runners, area rugs, and samples with a minimum of effort and a few simple tools. There is no machinery required. And with the wide selection of Instabind colors and binding types, you'll be sure to produce end results that will please the most discriminating customer. How strong is Instabind? The carpet will shred before the binding becomes separated. Here's how easy it is to use Instabind. Instabind is available in 3 types: regular binding, surge binding, and rope binding. The installation procedures are slightly different, and we will discuss those modifications later. But let's start with the popular surge binding. First, prep the desired piece of carpet by trimming the edge to make sure you have a nice, clean, smooth edge. Start the binding with a clean cut. Peel off a length of backing paper and begin applying in the middle of one cut edge. Extend the Instabind past the corner of the carpet, and using the edge as a guide, snip the flat part of the Instabind, stopping at the piping. With the paper turned back, overlap the backing while rounding the corner. Continue around the carpet until you return to the beginning. At this stage of installation, you may readjust the Instabind if necessary. Now you're ready to attach the 2 ends. Using your starting point as a guide, make the finishing cut with scissors. Trimming any excess strings. Seal the beginning and ending points together by applying a bead of hot glue to the end of the finished piece and connecting the 2 ends. Now you're ready to seal the edges of the carpet to the Instabind with a hot glue gun. Apply a bead of hot glue between the piping and the edge of the carpet. Hold in place for a few seconds to let the glue set, and continue the process. You can also use a piece of wood as a pressure guide behind the application of glue for a quick and easy bond. For a more attractive look on the back, turn the carpet over, peel one edge of the Instabind backing, and trim at a 45-degree angle. Smooth the adhesive down. Instabind also offers an attractive rope binding, something unavailable with conventional binding techniques. For Instabind rope binding, you'll need some clear tape. Wrap the rope binding with a piece of tape to secure it from fraying. Cut through the middle for a nice, clean starting point. Start the rope binding in the middle of the carpet and continue around the carpet as you did with the surge binding. Apply a piece of clear tape at the point on the end piece where it will join the starting piece. Line the ends up to make your final cut. Using your starting point as a guide, cut to match. Peel the remaining paper back and line up the ends. Join the ends by applying a bead of hot glue and when it is cooled, you may remove the pieces of tape. Finish the piece by sealing the edges as before. For regular binding, start by peeling back the material to expose the white piping. Snip approximately 1/2 inch of the piping and fold the binding cover back into position, leaving a 1/2 inch hollow tube. This will be important when connecting the finishing end with the start end. Again, start in the middle of your cut edge. Corners will be the same as the other Instabind products. Now you're ready to finish off the Instabind regular binding. To finish off, line up your last cut with the void from your first cut. Now simply insert the end into the hollow portion you created at the start, and your regular binding is complete. Follow the same steps for binding the piping to the edge of your carpet. With any of the Instabind products, you can even bind inside corners, something that's extremely difficult with conventional binding methods. Instabind, now available from your authorized Taylor Tools distributor. Visit the Taylor Tools website for more information.